What's up, my name is Lubachev and today I'll be teaching you how to take your photos from the built-in camera flash to the next level. Okay, so first off, huge thanks to my friend Shidan who actually gave me his camera to borrow so that I can actually film how to do this with my own camera. He's also a photographer like me, so this is his Instagram. I do suggest you check it out, and the link is also in the description if you're too lazy to type it out. Okay, so let's actually get into the tutorial. Yesterday was the first party event that I was hired to shoot, and the lighting there was really bad, so I really needed a flash. I don't have the money to buy a professional flash yet, so if you're in my position, this video is especially for you. This method in no way is going to be replacing a really professional flash, but it is a good method if you don't have the money to spend on a flash. I do suggest having a portrait lens with a low f-stop so that you can get in more light into the sensor. But anyway, these flashes are really bad, because even though they're powerful, they're shooting exactly into the face and the photos look terrible. So I got into the idea that after all, I'm gonna need to use the flash somehow. And then I remember why people are buying professional flashes. One of the reasons is because some of them can go wireless, you can shoot with different angles and stuff. So I'm going to stick to the main point of buying a professional flash, which is actually being able to point it wherever you want. That is the most important thing, because even if you point a normal flash directly into the camera, it won't always turn out well. This is why professional photographers most of the time point the flash onto the ceiling. If you're getting where I'm going at, this is perfect. So this is my second tutorial, and again I'm going to smartphones. You're kind of really getting it now, aren't you? And no, it's not pointing the phone flash to the ceiling. It's not gonna work. It's too small. So here's the actual method. Take the camera flash out, put your phone in front of the flash exactly at an angle that'll point the flashlight into the ceiling. And that's how you achieve this. That's how your photos will go from this to this. Now it does have some quirks, like for example, if you don't have a roof, you do need a ceiling to actually reflect the light from. The ceiling is also preferable to be white, because the darker the ceiling, the less light is reflected. I forgot to say this while I was initially filming, so it does depend on how you angle the phone, and you have to experiment with this, because some photos will turn out really bad because the reflection is not at a proper angle and it looks really sketchy, exactly like you've pointed a flash onto the ceiling and it doesn't look natural at all. So back to the normal video. Now let's touch on why this actually works. The ceiling method works because it's based on diffusion. The most basic example for diffusion I can give you is the lights at your house. Most of the time we put diffusers on the lights so that we can spread the light more equally. That's why the lamp over there has a hood on top. One, to make it blue, but second, to spread the light more evenly. It's not a harsh light. The light I'm using right now is also with a diffuser on. It's basically taking a small light source like this flash and spreading the light all over the place. That's why most professional studios, they use these big giant dome lights, because they spread the light around. And that's kind of it. Now just go out and shoot, or stay inside and shoot. This tutorial is more for that. Doesn't matter, just go and do something. Okay, so that was basically it. Stay creative, stay positive. Again, thank you Shtinan, it was really helpful. Do check him out on Instagram. Check me out on Instagram. Like this video if you found it useful and helpful. If you want more videos like this, go and subscribe. So yeah, if you want me to make a tutorial on a particular topic, just type down into the comments below and I'm gonna try and do it. Except the transition tutorial. I can't do a transition tutorial yet because I do need to get better at them. And at teaching, like, the tutorials aren't my strong suit at all. I just began. And transitions are such a diverse topic. Now the basic of them is video flow, which almost nobody talks about, because it's one thing to learn a transition, but it's a whole nother thing to apply it properly. So many people don't, including myself, so that's why I need to get much better. I still have some things I need to work out. There will always be things to work out, but I just feel I need to get better. So yeah, that's enough talking for today. See you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please really do share it to people that might learn from this, and really just go learn, shoot, and repeat. That's it for me for today. My Instagram is down in the description of this video. Go and follow it. Like, share, subscribe. Lubachev, over and out. Bye.